Hello everyone, this is B. Sharanya from CSM department from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today I am saying about very important topic in communicative English, that is paraphrasing and summarizing. We see the overview of these topics. First one, introduction to summarizing and paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Examples of paraphrasing. When to use paraphrasing? Techniques for effective paraphrasing. What is summarizing? Example of summarizing. When to use summarizing? Difference between summarizing and paraphrasing. Techniques for effective summarizing. Common mistakes to avoid. Tips for practice. Summary of your key points. Introduction to summarizing and paraphrasing. Summarizing and paraphrasing are essential skills for effective communication and comprehension. They help in condensing information and expressing ideas in your own words. This presentation will explore their definitions, differences, and examples. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means rewriting a passage in your own words while retaining the original meaning. It helps clarify content and avoid plagiarism. Paraphrasing often involves changing sentence structure and vocabulary. Example of paraphrasing. Original text. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Paraphrased version. A fast brown fox leaps over a sluggish dog. The paraphrase reverses the sentence without changing its meaning. When to use paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is useful when you want to clarify or simplify complex ideas. It is essential for avoiding plagiarism in academic writing. Paraphrasing allows you to incorporate sources seamlessly into your work. Techniques for effective paraphrasing. Read the original passage carefully and understand its meaning. Rewrite the content using different vocabulary and sentence structure. Check that the paraphrased version accurately reflects the original message. What is summarizing? Summarizing involves condensing the main idea of a text into a shorter form. It captures the essential points without unnecessary details. Summaries are useful for quick understanding of the core message. Example of summarizing. Original text. Global warming is a long-term increase in its average surface temperature due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels. Summarized version. Global warming results from human activities that increase its temperature. The summary captures the main idea in a few words. When to use summarizing? Use summarizing when you need to provide an overview of a large amount of information. It is helpful in writing abstracts, exhaustive summaries, and study notes. Summarizing saves time and highlighting key points for the audience. Key difference between summarizing and paraphrasing. Summarizing reduces the length of the original text while paraphrasing maintains the same length. Summarizing focuses on main ideas. Paraphrasing involves rewording specific passages. Both techniques require understanding the original content thoroughly. Techniques for effective summarizing. Identify the main idea and supporting details in the original text. Use your own words to condense information clearly and consciously. Avoid copying phrases directly from the source unless counting. Common mistakes to avoid: summarizing too closely to the original text, risking plagiarism. Paraphrasing with too many similar words, which can be considered plagiarism. Failing to understand the original content before paraphrasing or summarizing. Tips for practice: practice summarizing articles, essays, or chapters regularly. Paraphrase sentence and paragraphs to improve vocabulary and the comprehension. Use tools like grammar checker to refine your skills. Summary of key points. Summarizing condense information focusing on main idea. Paraphrasing involves rewording content while maintaining remaining meaning. Both skills require comprehension practice and attention to the detail. How to shorten the sentences. Reduce a long phrase to a word. Original sentence: they welcomed the person they did not know. Shortened sentence: they welcomed the stranger. His handwriting could not be read. His handwriting was illegible. She is able to do things by herself without the help or advice of others. She is independent. Reduce a long list of words to a generic term. Bags, suitcase, bedrolls, boxes. Short sentence as a luggage. Knives, forks and spoons as a cutlery. How to shorten the sentence. Make a structural changes to achieve comprehension. Original sentence: the first prize was won by the girl with long hair. Shortened sentence: the long haired girl won the first prize. Next example: the fact that he is both honest and intelligent is something that everyone appreciates. Everyone appreciates his intelligence and honesty. We saw a train that was approaching and got up from the platform bench. Seeing an approaching train, we got up from the platform bench. Thank you for listening this presentation.